Hey everybody, I'm Leah McSweeney. You may recognize me from the Real Housewives of New York City, and most recently, I'm the author of a book called Chaos Theory, which is out right now. Welcome to my happy place, which is my home in Lower Manhattan. My life tends to be a little chaotic, so I really wanted to make sure that my home is very peaceful and light and airy. Come on in. Most recently, I've started cooking, which is kind of shocking to my whole family, but this is the best kitchen for cooking because as I'm cooking, I can see my guests and talk to them. I also love how everything is just clean and hidden. You don't even know where the refrigerator is. There's many things I love about this apartment, but one of them is that the living and dining area is one big open space. At the same time, I wanted to make sure that it felt like two different spaces that still flowed into each other. Let me take you there next. Throughout my apartment, you will notice a lot of art with lips or like lip sculptures. I've been collecting them over the years. This I got from Roche Bobois. So the nights that I don't cook and I order in and it's just me and my daughter, we tend to sit on the living room floor and eat off the coffee table. But when I have guests, this is where I entertain. Here we are in my living room. The overall vibe, it's airy, it's minimal, but at the same time has pops of color and has personality. I can't deal with the all white, all beige. My favorite color is pink. Once you see my bedroom, you'll understand. But I had to talk myself out of turning the whole apartment pink. So these chairs were actually custom made by a designer named Michael Felix, and they're really comfortable. The couch may look a little uncomfortable, but it is so comfortable. Sometimes I fall asleep on it. I love the boucle fabric. I love that it's very low. It's very modern, and it kind of goes with everything. The coffee table is vintage, and I like to mix new furniture with vintage furniture. You'll actually see a circular theme throughout the apartment with the rugs, the round dining table, and the round side table. A lot of people love to have portraits of themselves in their apartment. Usually it's of their faces. I chose to have my butt. I know it's not gonna look like this forever, so I wanted to take advantage of it now. Don't go anywhere, because I have a lot more to show you. I had a feng shui master talk to me about the different corners of my apartment. This is my relationship corner. I'm not in a relationship, but I'm maybe going to be in one because I'm keeping these plants alive and thriving. You'll also see the lips. Again, more of a lip theme. This lamp is made by a furniture designer who was inspired by a beehive, and this is actually hand-blown glass, and each piece is not exactly the same as the other piece, so it's very special. And we have a portrait of my dog Angel that this amazing artist Mary Lou Shempf painted for me. I actually have not one, but two Chihuahuas. They are not here today because they are absolute terrors. This is the most special sacred part of my home. This is my altar. And I created this altar while I was grieving my grandmother who passed away a couple years ago. My grandmother loved china and teacups, and I didn't know that about my grandmother. So now I have her teacup here on her altar. This is my daughter Kiki's bedroom. She loves video games. That's why she has her setup over here. She's a gamer. And I will tell you that all this retro stuff is back, like scrunchies, a vintage Coach bag, and a record player. She listens to records. This is a very special record. It is Delight, and Kiki is a nickname for Keir. She was named after Lady Miss Keir, who is just an absolute icon. And surprise, more lips. Welcome to my bedroom where all the sleeping happens. My bedroom is very pink, but not overwhelmingly pink. I chose a lime wash type of paint, which is like a textured paint. The side tables are vintage. The bed is not. My dresser is vintage. The Lips chair, this is from a vintage store in Georgia, and they shipped it on a Greyhound bus to me. I didn't even know you could do that, but you can. By now you know I love plants, I love trees, so I needed this in my bedroom as well. This was my grandmother's that she bought in the 1970s. This was given to me for my birthday by my friend Jordan. It is a replica of me naked throwing tiki torches, which I did on season 12 on Real Housewives of New York. Having a decent sized closet in New York City is no easy feat. Mine is, it's getting there. You know, I wish it was a little bigger, to be honest. My favorite thing in this closet though is my happy place robe. When I come home from a long day, I just, after I take a bath, get in this. Oh my God, yes, I'm already feeling at peace now. Well guys, that's it. That is my home. Thanks so much for visiting my happy place. See you next time.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.